Alrighty, get another Bespoke post box. How long ago did we get this one? I have no clue. Yeah, I don't see a date. Let's see what's in it. Let's see what's in it. What's it called? Trailhead. The box is called Trailhead. Sure, why not? Alright, first thing in here is Instigator. Are you really instigating stuff? I mean, really? Instigator. So,
Man stuff.
That's going to be a bit hard to get out of there. It's a gator. Let's get that. Oh, we just cut that. You watch, they'll be important, right? They'll be important, I'll just destroy it. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, neat. Large and an extra. Okay, and I don't know, just got put in your determine the left and right gear is not. Always goes on your shoes.
Man stuff.
Okay, these go on your shoes to prevent things from coming in your shoes. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. It's got a nice little thing here to make it a little color, it looks like. Over here to put it on. Stick her up. Oh, put the holder so it stays closed.
Man stuff.
Alright, cool. Well, I don't know the it. Neat. We're into hiking and stuff. So this is boot and shoe cleaner. It's all good. Useful.
Man
Very
stuff.
useful. And a cooling towel. I have a cooling head thing. Really nice. Oh, this one's a bag. One's a bag. So let me, if I get this right, you wet it with water and then water activated cooling mesh technology. Cool skin for up to 2 hours. Okay. Place under cooled water, wring towel gently and wave it in the air. Place around neck and under shirt or gear. Repeat to reactivate. Alright, so it's really nice. I like it. So this will be beneficial to me. Hot the
Man
last couple
stuff.
weeks. So let's go ahead and put that in the bag. Was this box worth it? Probably not. Probably not, because I'm not big on hiking. So I mean, these are not really the greatest. And of course, shoe shine or polish, whatever cleaner, I'm probably not going to use. So probably not going to use. More than likely will. But hey, it's just a couple bucks, so not that big of a deal. Trailhead.